We're here at Collegetown Center. We're on the second floor landing. You can see the elevator on our left. Here's one of our building stairwells on our left. I wanted to show you where the elevator and stairs are located next to this apartment. We're going into 222. This is a studio apartment on the north side of the building. This is a rectangle apartment, which is our standard apartment style here in the building. This is an even number apartment. 22 is an even number, so our kitchen will be on the left as we enter. You can see our cabinets, which are both above and below the counters. There's the refrigerator, the dishwasher, the sink, the microwave, and the electric stove and oven. Here in this even number style apartment on the north side, we have this space across from the kitchen, which I think is a nice spot that you could put a shoe rack, a shelf, or even a narrow table to add some extra storage space in your apartment if you like. As we go into the apartment, we will pass by the closet. Let's look in there. You can see we've got a rack, a hanging bar, and some storage space on the floor as well. As we go into the apartment, let's take a look around. You can see there's the dresser, the tall bookshelf, the full-size bed, the desk and chair, and the dining table and chair. Those are the furnishing items that are provided in the apartment. The styles may vary from unit to unit, but those items will always come with the studio apartments. You may move the furniture around wherever you like within the apartment. Let's go look in the bathroom. So the bathrooms will have that tub shower with a sliding door. You can see the vanity that does open for underneath storage, the toilet, the towel rack, and we've got one of the medicine cabinets open today, so you can see that small cabinet that's on the wall here in the bathroom. There is a mirror on the other side of it, so that's additional storage space for you in the bathroom. Let's go on into the apartment. We encourage you to watch more videos on the YouTube channel to see the different ways that you can arrange furniture in the apartment. This setting has a lot of floor space here in the middle, how it's set up, and you'll definitely be able to move things around and get things set up for a way that suits your living style. Here's the second floor. So we're on the Dryden Road side of the building. This is the best people watching over here. We can see what's going on in the Collegetown neighborhood. The corner above us is the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road, and that is the main intersection of our Collegetown neighborhood, and we are located just 1 block from campus here. We are located at 151 Dryden Road in this building called Collegetown Center. This is a north rectangle studio. On the second floor, we're in unit 222 here at Collegetown Center, and we're located just 1 block from campus.